Hello everyone, welcome to Team Developers channel. And in this short video, I'll show you how to fix Epic Games launch error in Fortnite. So before starting video, if you're new in this channel, then hit subscribe button. So to fix this error, first of all go to Start menu and open Task Manager. So in Task Manager, make sure to close all Epic Games and Fortnite processes. So after closing all these processes, right click on Epic Games and go to Properties and follow these steps. So after completing this verification process, hope so this error will be fixed. And if you have any question, then let me know in comments. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video, then hit like button. Also don't forget to subscribe Team Developers channel. Thank you for watching.